Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a cloud shape in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So first is you just need to open Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Then from here at the ribbon, you will find all these tabs. Simply click on the Insert tab. And here you'll find shapes. Click on this drop down arrow, and here we just need to look at this one, basic shapes, and you'll find the cloud symbol. So click on that, and then simply move the cursor, the one with the plus sign symbol, and then draw the clouds. Then you can also change the color from here. So you just have to select the cloud symbol, and the shape format option or tab will appear at the top. You'll find here shape fill. Click on that and then choose the color. You have for the shape outline. Click on that and then choose the outline from here. You also have here the weight of the outline and the shape effects. If you want to put some effect in it, then you can simply do that. And that's it. That's how you can easily make a cloud symbol in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.